cot 2 theta सँग बराबर छ भनेर we have to prove it, right? Sin theta minus sin 3 theta plus sin 5 theta minus sin 7 theta equal to cos theta minus cos 3 theta minus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta. Somehow we have to change the whole thing in the form of 2 theta. 7 theta is there, 5 theta is there, 3 theta is there, theta is there. What is the best thing to be done? Of course, when we have addition, we can write it in the form of product, right? Yes. We know these formulas. Sin c minus sin d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So here, if we consider this one to be c, this one to be d, c plus d by 2, how much is it going to be? C plus d by 2, how much is it going to be?
3 theta plus 3 theta divided 2.
2 theta. 2 theta. So we are somewhere close, right? 2 theta. Similarly here also, 5 theta plus
12 theta plus 7 theta divided 2
plus 7 theta. 12 theta divided by 2 is going to give me
6 theta.
6 theta.
And also
what about subtraction of this one?
Minus theta.
Subtraction of this one is going to give me
Minus
theta. Or there could be something that we can do. We can play around like this. We can do something like this. Listen carefully. If we take this theta and this 5 theta, it seems to be a bit better because theta plus 5 theta divided by 2 gives me
3 theta.
3 theta. And theta minus 5 theta divided by 2 gives me 2 theta. Similarly here, if I take these two, what do I have? 3 theta plus 7 theta gives me 10 theta. 10 theta divided by 2 gives me 5 theta. 3 theta minus 7 theta gives me 4 theta. 4 theta divided by 2 gives me 2 theta. That can be done also. Alright? But still you will have 5 theta. And then again you have to do something with that 5 theta. Rather than that, let's just directly apply it. Okay? And see what happens. See what happens, alright? Do you agree? Shall we do that?
Yes.
So we are taking these two now and these two together. These two and these two together. Okay? Okay. So the action begins. So we know what the relationship is, right?
Yes.
That is something that you should know. Sin c minus sin d
2
is
cos
LHS, you are taking LHS. 2 times cos
theta plus 3 theta divided 2.
Theta plus 3 theta
Divided 2. Sin theta minus
sin theta minus 3 theta divided 2.
That's what it is equal.
Plus
And then
2 cos 5 theta
plus 7 theta
divided 2
into sin
5 theta minus 7 theta divided by 2. The whole divided.
there is a small thing that you have to be careful about because there
Minus
is,
common.
this is minus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta. So what you have to do is, if you want to apply formula here, you have to
In between minus.
it becomes minus, right? You take minus as common. Now it's the same thing, right? You can apply formula only now. Okay, because this minus was for this one. Now this minus is for all cos 5 theta and cos 7 theta. So this is a slight change. Change in the sense, in order to apply this formula cos c minus cos c. Okay.
2 sin theta plus 3 theta divided by 2. Sin 3 theta minus theta divided by 2. Minus bracket 1
then
2 sin 5 theta divided by 5 theta.
do you understand this? Does it make sense?
Divided by 2 sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta minus 5 theta divided by 2.
minus 5 theta
7 theta minus 5 theta, right?
Yes.
Okay. All of you are with me?
Yes.
Now,
2 cos theta.
2
2 cos
cos
2 theta.
2
how much
cos
is it? 3 theta plus a theta. 5 theta, 4 theta.
4 theta divided by 2 theta
Into
into sin minus theta. Sin minus theta. Sin minus theta and minus sin theta.
plus
Plus
2
Plus 2
cos
cos
6 theta.
7 theta plus 5 theta.
12 theta 12 divided by 2 6 theta into sin minus theta. Sin minus theta.
Whole divided by 2 sin 2 theta.
Sin 2 theta.
Theta. Sin theta. Minus
Minus
2
Minus
sin 6 theta.
2 sin 6 theta minus
Into sin theta.
theta.
Yes.
minus
7 theta minus 5 theta.
what?
Make sense? I'm going with your.
Oh, sorry, the common sin theta. Sorry,
So, sin minus theta is
minus sin theta.
Minus sin theta.
Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Cos minus theta.
Cos minus theta cos theta.
alright.
Yes.
You know this property of sin theta and cos. Sin and cos function. And so, minus 2 cos 2 theta into
Sin
sin
theta
plus
minus
2 minus, sorry. Because immediately, right? Because this minus is going to be here, right? So I'm writing cos 2 6 cos theta into sin theta divided by 2 sin theta sin 2 theta minus 2 sin 6 theta into sin theta. Make sense? What do we have? Here also we have sin theta, here also we have sin theta, here also sin theta, sin theta. Sin theta can be taken as common, right?
Yes. 2 sin theta.
2 sin theta, yes. Minus
2
cos 2 theta minus cos 6 theta divided by 2 sin theta sin 2 theta minus so altogether goes off 1, right?
Yes.
So you can take minus as common here, minus as common here, and then what do you get?
Plus
Plus, right? Plus
6
minus.
theta
Cos 6 theta divided by
Sin 6 theta minus sin 2 theta.
Okay. Cos C plus cos D, isn't it? Cos C plus
cos d
cos D. Let's write that down. Let's write the formula. What is the formula of cos C plus cos D?
2 cos
2 cos c plus d divided by 2
Don't say whatever you feel like. You should know what you are saying. 2
2 cos
cos
c plus d divided by 2.
C plus D divided by 2 times
Cos
Cos
c minus d divided by
C minus D divided by 2. Is this correct?
2. Yes.
And then similarly we need sin C minus sin D. What's the formula?
2 cos c plus d divided by 2 into sin c minus d divided by 2.
C minus D divided by 2. Alright, we put that there. And you have cos C minus cos D. What is cos C minus cos D? Cos C plus cos D? 2 cos C plus d by 2. 2 theta into cos c minus d by 2. 2 theta minus 6 theta, sorry, divided by 2. Divide by sin c minus sin d. 2 cos minus is here, putting minus there, right? This minus is here, is that it?
Yes.
Yes. 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 theta
Plus 6 theta divided by 2.
into sin
2 theta
2
minus
theta,
6 theta
Divided by 2.
divided by 2.
right? So equals to minus 2 can be cancelled off right now because 2 is multiplying all of them, right? 2 is actually multiplying, or it's a factor. So
Cos 2 theta
cos, what are you going to get?
4
cancel.
theta and 4 theta.
6 theta plus 2 theta is
8 theta.
8 theta.
8 theta, but
Same
4 theta
theta.
all the same, right?
Same symbol. Correct.
Let's write down
4 theta.
4 theta into cos
Minus.
Minus 4
Minus 2
theta.
theta.
sorry,
Minus 2 theta.
divide by
Cos theta.
Cos 4 theta
sin.
minus 2 theta.
Alright, minus is there, that's why I'm writing it in bracket. Huh? So cos 4 theta, cos 4 theta. Cancel minus. Cos minus theta is
Cos
minus
theta.
Cos theta.
Cos theta. So minus, this minus is here. This minus. Why? Because the property of
Cos minus theta is equals to cos theta.
even function. Alright, cos 2 theta.
Sin minus theta is
Sin minus theta is
minus sin 2 theta. Minus minus.
cos theta.
What?
Cos theta divided by sin 2 theta.
Cot 2 theta.
That's it.
त्यो जोड्न पाइने रे
Which
cos
one?
2 theta plus cos 6 theta.
Where?
त्यो माथि cos 2 theta plus cos 6 theta.
Cos 2 theta plus cos 6 theta.
हैन है.
You cannot write cos 8 theta. Somebody was doing the same thing. Never, ever, ever, ever can you